Hello? Ever seen those trending shake videos on TikTok? Or videos that look insanely cool like this? Well, you've just found the right video to watch. If you're using a PC, this tutorial is perfect for you. Now, if you think making this shake effect is difficult, you're totally wrong. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a trending shake effect in Capcut PC in the easiest way possible. So get your video ready and let's make it look extra cool. Let's go! I've already cleaned up the footage and adjusted the cut-to-cut timing to match the beat of the music. First step, set keyframes using the transform tool, whether it's scale or position X and Y, to properly position the footage. Since we're using a 1:1 ratio, make sure the object is centered in the video. Next step, adjust the keyframe movement to match the desired effect. On PC, simply press Alt+K and select the Cubic Out preset. Keyframe X and Y must also use the Cubic Out preset to prevent the scale position from shifting unnaturally. If not used, the result will look like this. In this preset, make sure the final keyframe line is closer to the initial keyframe line, but if you choose not to adjust it, that's totally fine. Here, I moved the first footage back by 10 frames, and for the middle footage, around 4 to 5 frames. Now, let's check out the draft after applying the scale keyframes. Final step, add some effects to make it look even cooler. You can use Shake, Rebound Swing, Edge Glow, and Oblique Blur. Adjust the effect duration to match your footage so it doesn't look too overwhelming. For extra spice, add another shake effect with Strength 7 plus Pendulum and tweak it to your preference. Thanks for watching until the end. If you're interested in more tutorials, don't forget to like and subscribe.